3, 2. Hey Bulldogs, this is Mr. Wickwar, and we're going to talk a little bit about our camera. It is the Canon PowerShot camera, the highest rated camera on Consumer Reports, and we have one for every 2 kids. Today we're going to be working with these with my lovely assistant, Ashley Woodburn, and we're going to talk a little bit about the camera. The first thing you do when you get the camera out of your case is you put the strap around your wrist. After you do that, I will instruct you to turn the camera on when we are ready. There's a power button on top. As soon as you push it, you'll notice that the telephoto lens pops out. The reason you put the camera around your wrist is because every time a camera has broken in this class, it is because that lens has hit the ground. So make sure that you put it around your wrist. Then you'll notice it asks for the time and date. That's because we take the batteries out every class period to charge them for my next class. To get this off the menu screen, just push the menu button. The 2 things I want you to know how to do are how to erase all the images off the card, and then how to resize the pictures, and then finally how to put in a battery. So to start with, to erase all the images off the card, you will notice that there is a play button on the back of the camera. You push the play button, which will show you the cameras currently on the card, the pictures currently on the card. To erase these, you push the menu button next. You move down to erase. You push the center of the circle, and then you select all images, and then you move to OK. And it should say no images after you erase all of them off the card. The second thing you need to know how to do is how to make sure it's on its largest picture size. To do that, you push the play button again. Make sure it's in camera mode. You know that because you can move the camera around and see things moving. And then push the function button inside the circle. It brings up a side menu. Move down where you see a letter. It should be on L. That means, if you notice, it's on its highest pixelation. Okay, she's going to hit the function button inside just to see how to change it. And notice that it will let you move down or up. She'll move down to the S, back up to the L. We want to make sure it's on L. Notice that that's its highest setting. So now she'll just push the function button to set that, and we're good to go. Now she's going to power off the camera and take the battery out. It's on the bottom, and the way to open it, you have to kind of slide it toward the outside, gently lift up, and you will see the battery. There is a small orange tab you have to push, and then the battery will slide out. Once the battery's out, to close it, you simply move it closed and then push in gently. A good rule of thumb is that if the battery is not going in swiftly and easily, you're putting it in the wrong way. This is it for the tutorial. We're about ready to take pictures.